listening to the Agent Survival Guide podcast, a podcast for today's insurance agents. Informing, educating, empowering, improving the way you do business in an industry that's anything but static. In today's episode, when the annual enrollment period comes to an end, it's not time to close shop. There are many opportunities waiting outside the busy season. We talk products, sales strategies, how to follow up compliantly, and more in 4 ways to keep your Medicare business warm this winter. Written by Roxanne Anderson. You know the importance of building your Medicare business during the annual enrollment period, or AEP for short. What if I told you that building your Medicare business post-AEP is equally important? Now that it's the off-season, you actually have the time to work on expanding your reach and attracting new clients. So how can you keep the cold winter temperatures that mark the beginning of the lock-in period from stunting your Medicare business growth? Turn up the heat with these 4 surefire ways to keep things warm through the winter. We're going to jump right into number 1. Continue selling Medicare products. Just because the busy season is over does not mean you have to put selling Medicare products on ice. There are certain Medicare products you can keep relying on to kindle your business post-AEP. Special needs plans, or SNPs, for instance, open the door to an abundance of sales opportunities. These unique Medicare Advantage, MA, products are available to individuals who are dual eligible, or those who qualify based on a chronic illness or institutional care. You can sell them post-AEP because those eligible for a SNP have an SEP, or special election or enrollment period, to join one. You can refer to that both ways. Medicare supplements, or MedSups for short, are also particularly valuable to have in your portfolio during lock-in. Why? Well, first, MedSups can be sold year-round. And second, people who enroll in a Medicare Advantage plan during their initial coverage election period can request to disenroll from it and join Medicare Parts A and B during the Medicare Advantage open enrollment period, which runs from January 1st to March 31st. These individuals may want a MedSup policy to fill the coverage gaps of Part A and B. What's more, you can also continue to sell MA and Part D plans outside of AEP by utilizing special enrollment periods. There are many ways Medicare eligibles can qualify for an MA or Part D SEP. Just ensure your clients notify you if they experience any of the qualifying life events so you can help them determine if they can and should switch plans. Number 2, sell non-Medicare products. It sounds a little counterintuitive, but selling non-Medicare products can also spark Medicare sales and help you maintain a thriving business in the senior market during the next few months. If you limit yourself to selling only Medicare-related plans, you're limiting your clientele. Selling ancillary products, life insurance, and annuities allows you to connect and form relationships with more shoppers who you may be able to help find Medicare coverage later. It also opens the door for you to receive more referrals from satisfied clients. Moreover, cross-selling non-Medicare products to clients you've already helped into Medicare plans could help you retain those clients and build their loyalty to you. By becoming more of a one-stop shop for your clients, you add value to your business. Consumers tend to stick with businesses who they feel treat them well. When you practice excellent customer service, people will want to tell their friends. In a study done by Nielsen, they found that 88% of people trust personal recommendations above most other marketing methods. Number 3, follow up with prospects and clients. Ever hear the old saying, the fortune is in the follow-up? It didn't become an old saying for nothing. Following up with prospects and clients post-AEP is another way you can fan the fire to keep your Medicare business nice and toasty this time of year. In their 2012 Life Insurance Awareness Month fact sheet, LIMRA states 78% of shoppers who had a previous relationship with their sales representative bought life insurance. However, the organization also states that 35% of prospects who did not buy life insurance reported they were still shopping, and sales representatives should have followed up with them. Fast forward to the 2021 Life Insurance Awareness Month fact sheet. 53% of consumers say they have not purchased life insurance because they're unsure how much they need or what kind of coverage to buy. Follow-up calls or appointments show prospects you're prepared and willing to help them meet their coverage needs when they're ready for you. Similarly, they show current clients that you care and you're dedicated to helping them find the insurance products that work best for them. And it also allows agents like you an opportunity to further build relationships and check if you can meet any unfilled coverage needs. As an agent, it's a good habit to schedule follow-up calls or appointments with your prospects and clients at the end of your initial meeting. When you're scheduling these events, you'll want to try to follow up with clients you've helped into a new Medicare Advantage plan sometime in December or January. Some clients may not like their new plan and may want to switch to Original Medicare and a MedSup during the MAOEP if they're able to. Number 4, track down more leads. Lastly, perhaps the most obvious way you can keep your business glowing and growing this winter is by compliantly tracking down warm leads. Hosting educational events and seminars is a great way to get your name out there and build your reputation as a knowledgeable, friendly, local support system for the newly Medicare eligible or confused Medicare enrollees. In addition, if you don't want to leave the comfort of your own home, there are several lead sites out there that can send you a list of leads for a fee. However, if you go this route, it's important you do your research to find a good lead provider so you stay compliant. To find new leads more easily, consider teaming up with a field marketing organization, or FMO, like the one that powers this podcast, Ritter Insurance Marketing. One of the benefits of working with select FMOs is that most offer lead programs and prospecting lists, among other lead opportunities. In a nutshell, winter may seem like the time you can hunker down and hibernate, but it's not, especially if you want to sustain a growing business. While we may be out of the busy season, don't fall into the trap of thinking your business is seasonal. People have different needs year-round, and there are several products you can sell throughout the year to help them meet those needs and maximize your success. If you're looking for agent support, consider registering with us, Ritter Insurance Marketing. It's free to register, and you can gain access to our in-house tools and trainings that make your job a lot easier. The link to sign up is in the episode notes. Thanks for listening. We will see you next episode. The Agent Survival Guide podcast is a production of Ritter Insurance Marketing, an Integrity company. This episode was written by Roxanne Anderson. Script adaptation by Tina Lamoureux. Recording and production by me, Sarah Ruppel. Podcast design by Urban Rivera. Artwork by Vivian Zhao. Follow along with our show wherever you like to listen.